The sound of marching feet, the echo of commands across the parade ground, the pride in every uniform worn with honor and dedication. For decades, a movement has continued to shape lives, unite cultures, and build a stronger nation. A journey filled with discipline, service, sacrifice, and unforgettable memories. From the early morning drills to the moments of learning and empowerment during side lectures. From colorful cultural displays that showcase the beauty of our diversity to the little everyday moments that define the true lifestyle of a core member. A story has been written across generations, a story of young Nigerians stepping beyond comfort, embracing new experiences, building friendship, and leaving impact in communities far from home. For 53 years, this legacy has remained a symbol of unity, resilience, and hope. And today, we celebrate the spirit, the journey, the memories, and the countless lives transformed through service to the nation. To every core member, past and present, this celebration is for you. Happy 53rd anniversary.